say this so many times in so many different talks. It's not the job that changed, it's the tools that we use to do it. The first one is AI cannot be the initial spark. Nothing happens until you push a button that say, I want to do something, whatever it is. So it can't be the initial spark. The second thing is it cannot build an emotional connection on which you build trust that enables somebody to do work with you. And I wish I could say this to everybody, especially all the kids at school. Because if they're sat behind their phones, they're not getting the fact that trust comes from interpersonal connection. And the soft skills are more valuable now, arguably, than they've ever been. If you're a salesperson who sits behind Salesforce all day, you're sunk. If you can get in front of people and talk to people and bring the ideas and bring the stories, then you make the connection that works. They don't just generate text, therefore they reason, they decide and they act. This is an important distinction. An agent that reasons before it finally decides what it's going to do. Bizarrely, it's called a react agent. And it's got multiple steps within one turn, if you like. So if we've got all of those things, and we can build in a lot more, like did I do a good job type agents, or did I cover my costs type agents, then I can build those into business systems. And I can use those to analyze data. And sure enough, I can get an AI agent to take an objective, maybe from my social media planning one, my website one, and say, build me a page that has these 3 text areas with bullet points and benefits of what I'm doing, 3 images, call to action on the bottom, and actually track statistics. 4 minutes. 4 minutes to do a page that was good enough to use. I say this so many times in so many different talks. It's not the job that changed, it's the tools that we use to do it. The bottom line is you guys were always responsible for creating the connection to customers, for understanding the stories that would have resonance, for being the brand guardians, for building brand for people to get engaged with. You actually created the conduit by people who parted with real money to buy your products and services. That just doesn't change. And with AI, it's worth remembering why we are so important in this piece.